Host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a personal website for a resume. Not only will I be showing you how to create a resume website for free, but I will also be showing you how to do it on one of the easiest website builders around. The platform that we'll be using for this example is none other than Wix, and all you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account for completely free using your email address. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Setup without AI. After selecting Setup without AI, all you'll need to do now is simply type in resume right here. After you have typed in resume, from there you will see numerous options that you can select. So for example, you could select resume right there, or you could scroll down and from there you could select portfolio, and you can select different niches when it comes onto portfolio. So for example, if you're a software engineer, you could select software engineer portfolio. You can select developer portfolio. Any one of these options that best describes you, you can choose that option. So let's say for example, I were to select journalist portfolio. After doing that, I'll tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while our dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard has been prepared, you can type in the name of your site. So for example, I will give this site name Jason Test. After you have named your site, you're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you can choose the goal for your site. So for example, I will select promote myself right here, and I'm also going to select another option which would be display creative work. And you can tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you can choose the apps that you would like to use. So for example, let's say we will be doing some blogging. We're going to select blog right there, and we're also going to select the portfolio app. If it is a case that you would like to add any other apps, you can do that. So for example, if it is a case that you would like to also add your Instagram feed, you could tap on Instagram. You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, from here what I want you to do next is, let me go back, we're going to tap on start with a template. After selecting start with a template, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and from here you can select whichever one of these templates you like to use. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix, as Wix Website Builders provides us with numerous templates, which makes it easy for a complete beginner to create a professional looking and operating website. So let's say for example, I would like to use this template. All I'll need to do is tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while our editor page or our main website is being prepared in the background. Once it has been prepared, you'll see a box pop up, and you can decide whether you'd like to add some information about yourself in this box, and then use the Wix AI feature to create content that you can add onto your website. Normally what I would do is simply close that box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your website. And at the moment, this is how it looks right here. So you can see right off the bat, it does look professional and stunning. Now to make some changes is quite straightforward and easy. So for example's sake, if you would like to change the name, which more than likely you're going to want to do that, you can simply hover over the section, then tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on quick edit, from here you can change the title on the right hand corner right here. We could type in our name. So let me do that real quick. After doing that, you can scroll down. You could edit the paragraph right here. You can also edit the phone number, and you can edit the button if you want. And if it is a case that you'd like to also change the background color, you can do that real quick. Once you're finished doing that, we can scroll back up, and from there you can tap on whichever section you would like to change. So to change the phone number section, you can simply tap on it, then tap on edit text. After doing that, from there you could change the phone number to whatever you want. You could also add in your email information right here, your address, and then you could tap on the text right here, and you could also edit the text. And from there you could also tap on the link icon, and you could add your LinkedIn portfolio or profile, better yet, and you can also link it back to your Facebook page and your Twitter or X profile page right there. You can also change the image by simply tapping on the image. You will see the option to change image, so you can tap on that. And we can continue making editing changes by scrolling down. You can tap on the about section and you could edit that also. And to view all the pages on your website, all you'll need to do is simply go over to the top left hand corner, tap where you see page, and from there you will see all the pages as you can see right here. And for example, if we were to tap on the portfolio page right here, we'll be redirected to the portfolio page, and from here you can edit this real quick by simply selecting the portfolio section. You could tap on manage projects. After tapping on manage projects, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can add your portfolio. First, you can remove the sample projects by simply tapping on the box, then selecting hide, or you can choose to delete them. After you have done that, you will tap on add project. Then from here, you can fill in the information. So for instance, you can fill in the title, description, project type, date, location, and then you could upload your project right here, then tap on done. After doing that, you can close out. If it is a case that you would like to create blogs, you can tap on blogs, and from here you could create your first blog post by tapping on create post. So you could tap right there and you could write out your article. Keep in mind that to add any form of element that you don't see on a blog post, all you need to do is tap on the plus, and from here you can add images, you can add video, GIF, HTML, or so on. And talking about that and adding elements, if for example you like to add a text or a video or anything to a page, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from here you can add text, anything at all you like to add to your Wix website. You will find it in this section right here, and it is simply a tap and drag, and that's it. And also to add a new page or to view the pages, you could tap on pages from the left hand menu option, that is the third icon from the top, and from here you'll be able to view all the pages as you can see right here. And you can see the resume page right here. We could tap on resume and you can see that it carries us to the resume page. And you can also edit the resume section by tapping right where you see skills and expertise. You could edit that. And that's it. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on preview to preview the changes. And if everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do is tap on publish and you'll be provided with a free URL. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.